Telemetry lost.
Can you find 3 and 4? Just leave them on. No, the lighter. The batteries.
The batteries?
Never mind. I was going to have you find 3 and 4. I had them stacked in order here. It's fine. Alright. Here we go.
Yeah.
I know it's cold. Did you see how long the flight was? I didn't even look on there.
I do not know how long the flight was.
The timer's on the screen. If you look, you can see it. I'm gonna put my
telemetry recovered.
Sounds alright, I guess, but okay. Are you ready? You see my flight time there? It's down there in the bottom. Fly time.
Yeah.
That's another number we can watch. I don't know how long this thing really flies. Okay, I'm just gonna cruise around like that again. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, the wind's blowing me. Fun to cruise the sidewalk. Here we are. Ooh, slid out there a little bit. Big airplanes. Oh, the bushes were right there. Minute and a half on my flight.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
It feels very weird not being a plane. Like, I feel like I want to fly it like a plane. 145. I'll try to do a flip. Yep. Go around this pole now, land.
Disarmed.
So 2 minutes?
2 minutes and 50.
Oh, really? 3 minutes?
Yeah, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Nice. So now I need 5 and 6. I got bigger batteries for this too, but they didn't come in yet. They're not that much bigger, but I could fly probably for 5 minutes. Maybe. Yeah, the video's pretty choppy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should be way more clearer than that. I don't really know why it's so bad, actually. Alright. Okay. Got some kids I might have to dodge. coming.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay. Are we ready? Alright, here we go. And ooh, it gets really choppy there.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
The lights came on. Yeah.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
I don't want to go full throttle up and just see
Telemetry
what
lost.
happens.
Telemetry recovered.
Tree right there. Feels like the wind's blowing me. Ooh, what was that? Huh? Yeah, right. It's a lot easier to get around these trees than with the airplane. It's actually a lot more fun too. Ooh, that felt close, didn't it? 185, one more loop around there.
Telemetry
I think if I
lost.
hit a pole at this speed, it's gonna be bad.
recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Stop it down.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
I'm at 206, I need to bring it back. Okay, here we go, we'll land it. That was a fun flight. Okay, we'll try that some more through the trees. The trees are great. Okay, we only got one more pack of batteries, right? 3 minutes, 8 seconds. That's not bad. So I could probably get 5 minutes out of my other batteries. They're 450s. I get them when I get them.
Telemetry lost.
They're lost in the mail, I think, but I'll wait for them. Alright, so this was 5 and 6. Okay, so one more pack. That's a lot of fun, though.
Yeah.
Does it look really cool?
Yeah.
Is it really bad video, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's up with that? I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not great. It's like the video quality's bad. I just back fingered the camera.
Telemetry recovered.
Wipe it off. Is it working? It's foggy to me. Okay, one more time. We're gonna go through trees. I'm gonna try dodging the middles. What else can I do without hitting branches? It's getting windy though. Alright, it's getting dark. Are you ready? Set. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that one up there. Yeah, I don't know where the branches are. I did it. Oh! Oh, I'm in a bush. Literally in a bush. Yeah, I didn't hit it very hard though. Oh, I'm totally stuck in that bush. That would have never came out. I'm glad I didn't try. Alright, it looks alright. Something broke. Smoked that tree, didn't I? Okay. Here we go. Where are we at? 31 milliamps? Oh, that's nothing.
Ooh.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Very fuzzy when you go.
Yeah, it is.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
That was fast. You're smoking. You're going so fast.
Pretty fast. I was gonna hit something. Ooh. Oh!
Yay! You recovered.
The wind blew me. I love going low. That's so much fun.
180.
Alright, one more loop and then we gotta land it. I'll bring it back again low. I should be able to go to like 300, but I just don't want to push the batteries and ruin them. That was cool, wasn't it?
Disarm.
Yes!
Disarm.
See ya! That was good flying, actually. That was actually a lot of fun. Cheers!